Hello Windows Universe! In this video we look at ways to speed up the new Microsoft Edge browser and make it load faster for you. First, if you are facing a slow loading page, we can look at your proxy settings. Click on the three dots for the menu, then go to Settings. In the search in Settings, type in Proxy. Under System, click on Open your computer's proxy settings. Configure your proxy settings according to your preferences, then restart your computer. Extensions can help you, but the more that you have, the slower Edge will work. So it's a smart move to disable or delete unnecessary extensions. Open a new tab, type in Edge //extensions. Then take a look at the extensions and disable or delete any extensions that you no longer need or use. Restart Edge and see if you notice any different. Then we can stop unwanted tasks in the browser. Go to the menu, go to More Tools, and then click on Browser Task Managers. Go through the list and end any processes that you do not need. It's a good housekeeping act to close any tabs that you do not need or are not using currently. Each tab can slow down all of Edge, so only keep open the tabs you are using. There's something called Suspender Extensions. They can do a great job by keeping a check on open tabs that consume too much resources. In the article, we link to two excellent suspenders that you can find in the Edge store. Customizing your new tab page will remove almost everything from a new page and speed it up. Open a new page. Click on the sprocket in the upper right-hand corner and decide which page experience that you want. This will remove experiences that you do not need or do not use. Also, there is a lighter version of the home page that you can set as the default home page. Copy this command out of the article, paste it, and as you see, there's a streamlined home page. The article goes into step-by-step settings as how to set this as your home page whenever you go to Edge. For more articles on how to maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Hey, give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe, where we are always adding new content to make your digital universe a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and have a great day.